You've probably heard the hype about 5G, but what is it really and why is it so important? Let's break it down. What it is. 5G stands for fifth generation wireless technology. Each generation of mobile networks has brought something new. 3G gave us mobile internet, 4G made streaming and social apps smooth, and 5G is designed for even bigger things. It's faster, more reliable, and can connect far more devices at once. Speed and reliability. With 5G, you can download a full movie in seconds instead of minutes. But it's not just about raw speed. 5G has lower latency, which means less delay when data moves. For gamers, video callers, and anyone who needs real-time responses, this makes a huge difference. More connected devices. Another benefit is capacity. 5G can support millions of devices in a small area. That's important as we add more smart devices, like watches, sensors, and appliances, to our lives. With 4G, networks can get crowded, but 5G is built to handle the load. New possibilities. This new network opens the door for technologies that didn't work well before. Augmented and virtual reality need fast, low-lag connections, and 5G delivers that. Cars that talk to each other, remote surgeries done by doctors miles away, and smart cities that manage traffic and energy in real time all become more practical with 5G. Challenges. Of course, there are challenges. 5G signals don't travel as far as 4G, so more antennas and towers are needed, especially in cities. Rollouts can be uneven, and in some areas, 5G speeds may not feel much different yet. It's a work in progress, but it's expanding quickly. So, 5G isn't just a faster network. It's the foundation for the next wave of innovation. From streaming and gaming to smart homes and healthcare, it's shaping the future of how we connect. Want more easy-to-follow tech explainers? Hit subscribe, turn on notifications, and stay tuned for weekly videos.